Exploring the world of nature, understanding ecological niches. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be diving into an exciting concept in the world of ecology, ecological niches. This idea helps us understand how different plants and animals live together in harmony, each playing a unique role in their environment. If you're ready to unravel the secrets of nature's balance, stay tuned. An ecological niche is like a job description for a species in its ecosystem. It outlines what an organism does, what it eats, where it lives, and even when it's active. Just like no two job roles are exactly the same, no two species have the same niche. This uniqueness helps maintain the delicate balance in nature. There are several components that define an ecological niche. These include the habitat. This is where the species lives. It's like the office or workspace in our world. The diet, what the species eats. Just as chefs and food critics have food-related jobs, species have dietary roles in their ecosystems. The behavior, how the species acts, including its daily routines and how it interacts with other species. The physical conditions. This includes the climate and terrain the species prefers. It's like choosing the right office environment to work comfortably. Understanding these components helps us see the big picture of how each species fits into the ecosystem. Ecological niches are crucial for maintaining biodiversity. Each niche supports a different species, and this diversity keeps ecosystems resilient and functioning. It's like having a diverse team in a workplace, where each member brings unique skills to the table. When each species fulfills its role, the ecosystem thrives. Humans can significantly affect ecological niches. Activities like deforestation, pollution, and climate change can disrupt or destroy niches, leading to the loss of species and biodiversity. It's important for us to understand and respect these niches to protect our environment. Understanding ecological niches gives us a glimpse into the complex and beautiful balance of nature. Each species plays a critical role, and it's up to us to ensure that this balance is maintained. We hope this video deepened your appreciation for the natural world and the intricate roles each organism plays. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more ecological wonders with you.